Hey hackers, what's up? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download the SecBSD installer image and turn it into a bootable USB drive on Windows. Before we get started though, a huge thanks to our sponsors, Lalo and OpenBSD Amsterdam. Your support means a lot to us. Alright, let's dive in. I'm using LibreWolf as my browser in this video, but you can use whatever you already have installed. Firefox, Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Brave, or any other modern browser will work just fine. CCBSD is a security-focused operating system based on OpenBSD. It's designed for hackers, penetration testers, cybersecurity professionals, hacktivists, and privacy-conscious individuals. But it's not limited to offensive or defensive security work. SecBSD can also be used as a daily operating system by people who know their privacy or security has been compromised. Journalists, researchers, activists, or whistleblowers who need a system that puts security and control first. SecBSD takes OpenBSD's hardened foundation and turns it into a weapon. It stays lean, minimal, and brutally clean while providing a solid base for exploitation and reconnaissance designed for serious security research and keeping the system fully under your control. This is an operating system for people who actually break things to understand them. From the official SecBSD website, you can download several different installer images. Some images come pre-configured with desktop environments like XFCE, MATE, KDE, or LXQT. Others use lightweight window managers such as DWM, CWM, or Window Maker. In this video, I'm downloading the installer image called install18.img. Just a quick heads up, SecBSD follows a 6-month release cycle, so if you're watching this later, the version number or file name may be different. Just grab the latest installer image available on the website when you're ready. SecBSD provides access to a large ecosystem of security, networking, and exploitation tools. Nothing is pre-installed by default. That's intentional. Keeping the attack surface small is part of the security model. You install only what you need when you need it, depending on the phase of the operation you're in. Through its ports collection, SecBSD lets you install tools for reconnaissance, scanning, exploitation, password auditing, network analysis, and security testing. All tested against the current SecBSD release. SecBSD is a community-driven project built out of passion for hacking and security. The operating system itself is free, but its development isn't. There are ongoing costs involved, and community support helps keep the project alive. If you find SecBSD useful, consider supporting the project through a donation. Available options include PayPal and cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana, and Litecoin. Once the installer image is downloaded, the next step is creating the bootable USB. For that, we'll use Rufus on Windows. With your USB flash drive connected, open Rufus and wait for the device to be detected. Click Select and choose the installer image you downloaded earlier. After that, click Start. You'll see a warning letting you know that all data on the USB device will be erased. If everything looks correct, confirm and continue. Rufus will now write the installer image to the USB drive. Once the process finishes and the status shows ready, your bootable SecBSD USB is complete. In the next video, I'll walk you through how to install SecBSD on your system. Huge shout out to Banshee, Heartbleed, X0 Dark, Out of Creativity, and BSD Bandit. Special thanks to the amazing people at Chaos Computer Club, Electronic Disturbance Theater, and Exploit Team. Let's hack the planet.